Hi, welcome to another episode of So Sensible, and today I'm going to make cable ties. I don't know about you, but at my house I have all kinds of extension cords that are just a big mess. And these are a really cute project that you can make that will use up your scraps and keep your house a little bit more organized and tidy. So here we go. The cool thing is you can make any size that you need. You can have ones for larger ties, and it's kind of similar to a cuff, so you could actually make this into a bracelet if you wanted to. So the first thing you want to do is take two pieces of fabric that are the same size. So they just need to be strips of any kind of scrap, and you want to sew soft Velcro to one side and the scrubby Velcro to the other side. The only trick is you want to just make sure they're on opposite ends. I like to use a longer piece of soft and then a shorter piece of the scratchy, just to kind of save on product. And then what you want to do is you want to put them together like this, and you're going to sew all around the edges, except you want to leave one spot to flip it. So I sewed around the edges, and you're just going to want to clip the corners. And then you're going to flip it inside out. And then you're going to just fold the edges in so that you have a nice edge. Pin it. And then you're going to sew it all around the edges, and just going to finish it. And there you have it. Simple as that. And you can just organize all your cords. The cool thing with this pattern is that you can make bigger sizes. So if you need to make one to tie up like tubing or something that is a little bit thicker, you have different options. Thank you for joining us for So Sensible today. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks.